All right, mates. Welcome back to the channel. We are in BitYard, of course. We're going to talk about Solana really quickly here today. Everything's pretty much up today. You're finding it out. Ethereum's running, Bitcoin's running above 23,500, which is driving up the 4-hour RSI off the freaking chart. You can kind of see right here. Look at this. Freaking RSI 77 for Solana. Now, you've watched our previous videos on the channel. You know we are long-term holders of Solana. Again, not financial advice. You need to do your own due diligence in crypto. But this is just overbought, mates, okay? It's been a great run up here we've seen for the last couple days. It seems like everyone's now back on the bullish bandwagon, but, there's still a lot of issues with some things that need to get wrinkled out, okay? I know a lot of this is predicated on the Ethereum merge announcement for September, which, of course, is great news. But to be fair, approaching an 80 RSI here on the 4-hour, it just hedge your bets. Okay, so if you're open any trade in Solana long, you want to do a straddle trade and buy a sell down trade. If you are long in your stack as an insurance policy, you want to go ahead and buy a 1x, 3x sell down in Solana to protect you from any lost gains of Solana retracing itself. Mind you, you got to look at the 7-day here is 43.89. We're at 46 right now. 25-day is 40.49. Okay, so we're a little bit above that. Obviously, we've got some room here. You kind of see the gap here, but this thing's getting pretty overheated. So I'm not saying a big move, in terms of a capital commitment, but I would put a little bit in here on a sell down. I locked in at 47 on this wick here. It actually was it was like 78.5, I think was what the RSI was at the time. But you want to go through that top list and look through them, all of them. Anything above a 70, 75 is going to come back. Now, it could go to 80. Don't get me wrong, and you got to wait it out, but that's overbought, and you want to make sure that you lock in at least some protection with the straddle trade. Or if you're long in your stack and you don't want to sell your tokens, you can just, buy the insurance policy, which is a sell down hedge on that asset. Okay. And, if it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. You lose that. It's like an insurance policy, right? In insurance policy, you're spending money, right? You don't ever get that money back. Okay. Like, unless there's an accident, you know what I mean? Unless there's something like that. And so that's how you kind of want to play it. And it's just a hedge protection that if it does reverse and sell back down to this level here at 40, 41, you'll capture the $7, $8 gain there and be able to sell back out without having to sell, all your tokens at the top and then have to go back and buy them, try to call tops and bottoms. You don't need to do that when you use these methods. So it really, really works to your advantage to use the straddle method or the hedge method. If you have any questions about those methods, you can reach out to me through the trading Discord or just comment on YouTube or on Facebook, and I will I'll answer any of your questions that you may have. And if you have any questions about exchanges, you have any questions about leverage in general, what leverage to use, how to see the market swing, how to apply the methods, quick reverse trades, how to do all that. I can show you all that. Trust me, once you get going again, okay, it's a little bit easier in this market, believe it or not, mates. This is a very, very good market to trade in. It's not a good market to invest in, but it's a very, very good market, in my opinion, to trade in with these defined lines here that we've setting with these patterns. All right, anybody questions, you can hit me up. You know where I'm at.